Yeah, hello again, and welcome back to our channel. As we spoke yesterday about our vacation, yeah, we woke up around 8:30 this morning because we slept very late after the celebration because we waited until 12 o'clock so that I can sing happy birthday to my queen. Yeah, because she was entering, a very important milestone in her life. So I had to wait until 12. I couldn't sleep before saying happy birthday. So okay, anyway, she's tired because she wanted to go and sleep, take a bath and go and sleep. So I said no. We promised our fellow brothers and sisters that we're going to update them. So yeah, like I said, we woke up around 8:30. We took a bath and we had to go and do some breakfast, but we were not sure where. So as you know, my queen is the one who always, decides on those kind of things. So she said, no, after taking a bath, let's go. I just followed. And then we ended up in the Gaborone Yacht Club. How do they pronounce it? You know these things.
It is a yacht club.
Gaborone Yacht Club. Gaborone Yacht Club. And then we get there. At the gate, we were guided by a security who said, we need to get there, drive in, and they offer. Yeah, there's a kitchen, not a restaurant. They call it a kitchen for members. But if you are not a member, you have to pay a fee, and then you can enjoy yourself, do the viewing of the dam. There's a nice dam there. We're taking some pictures. We're going to show you some pictures later. Yeah. What else happened before we get to the kitchen?
So no, our plans for the day were a bit messed up. No one messed it up for us. It's just that I didn't do proper research of all the activities that I plan to do this side. So the initial plan today was to go to
Mkholodi Game Reserve.
Reserve.
After the breakfast. We're planning to do breakfast at Mkholodi. Okay.
So the plan was that we'll do breakfast day, chill, and then after we chill, we do there's a package where you do the game drive and 1 hour game drive and then 1 hour bush braai.
What's a bush braai?
So there's a certain place in the middle of the bush where when you come back from the game drive, they've prepared to you a braai. Like they use animal meat. Is that the right word?
Yeah, game meat.
Game meat, yeah. Yeah, so they use game meat to do the braai.
Okay.
So I was supposed to do that, but then because I didn't know, I didn't have full information, so yeah, so we had to switch and try and find something to do. Yes, the Gaborone Yacht Club was part of the plan because I initially planned that after we come back from Mkholodi. Yeah, we will pass by the yacht. Yeah. So yeah. So we didn't. I was supposed to call them and book and reserve because they don't just do game drives out of the blue.
Yeah, they said they needed to. We were supposed to be 4.
Yes.
Yeah, so unfortunately it was. Yeah, this is another thing. So when we get back home, we're going to go around recruiting other people to do this thing because even the bush braai, they say it's the minimum is 15 people. So you have to be 15, right?
Yes.
For them to organize a bush braai.
But then they also mentioned that on the busy days, so you might find that there are people already booked, and then when they add the numbers, you find that the numbers doesn't add 15, and then if there are other people who are interested, they add the numbers. It doesn't have to be the same group of people.
Yeah. But to be guaranteed, When we get back home, what we're going to do, going to, start recruiting people so that next time when we come back, we know game drive is guaranteed. Bush bride is guaranteed because we'll have our own people, not relying on
15 people.
Okay.
Yeah, the game drive. I don't know, 15 people. Yes, the game drive for 4. Even though I would like to have an experience for the bush bride, but yes, we can start looking in person. Lava lahlelaku mabodlhela ya byalwa kwala va ta va ri ku nwini. Leti ti kona vhele. Wo kha chavariwa ya ku le. Kumbe this one is not high. Ku nga ku ri deep la.